Today I would be showing you something different. I mean, this isn't just a home, it's a statement. Welcome, beautiful people, to my channel. It's another day where we get to talk properties in Lagos, and today I'm right here in Harris Drive. Harris Drive is just by VGC here in Lekki, Lagos, and we would be inspecting this five-bedroom, massive five-bedroom duplex with a BQ. You can see it has its own garage, so this is not even the regular. Now, one of the things that makes this property stand out for me is this estate where it is located. The neighborhood here is very serene and quite secured. Emphasis on very secured. It is an access regulated estate. They have good drainage system. You can see the drainage system is an underground drainage system. The road here is interlocked and everywhere is really neat. This is definitely a good place for you to raise a family. It is in the market for 550 million naira with a title of C of O. Now, this price is slightly negotiable, but we'll get to talk about that when you call. Now, just in case this doesn't fit into what you want, either it is above or below your budget, or you want a land or even a commercial property, we have them at different locations. Just reach out to us on that number, tell us what you want, and we'll definitely get you something nice. And also, if this is your first time coming across my channel, welcome. My name is Victoria Chizobaduraku, and I will be your guide through today's tour. Please do well to hit the subscribe button so you don't get to miss out on our subsequent updates. And also, I have such a beautiful family here on YouTube that we're growing together, and I would really love to welcome you into that family. Now, having done that, please be my guest as I play this camera. We'll tour this property while I give you more information about it. You would definitely love this one, I assure you. Come along. So welcome back, beautiful people. Now, the middle unit is the one we would be inspecting, but let me just give you. I like my thought of any property to be detailed. So what we're going to be doing is I'll first of all move around the compound before we go inside. So we have just 3 units available as of this moment, but I can't tell you what will happen the next moment. You know how finished houses are. It could be available this minute, and the next time you're calling, they're telling you it's sold out.
Now let's begin to explore. So each unit of this house can take up to 3 cars conveniently, or probably even 4 cars, depending on the size. You get to park in the garage and outside. And before we go to the back of the house, let me just give you a quick 360 view of the surrounding. So this is what it looks like, and then this gate here leads you to the back of the house. All of the units has a gate like this, and right here is what it looks like from this angle. Now you can see there's enough space in between the 2 buildings, and this door here leads you to the living area, so you can either access the living area from here or through the garage. Now, one thing about this house that I really love is the space management. There's enough space even at the back of the house, so you can turn it into a garden space. You can have a lounge here. There's a lot you can do here, because the space here is, the developer was quite generous with space. So just take a look at it. There's a lot you can do here. So if you are somebody that is into space, you want a house that is really spacious, you should consider this. Now this gives you access to the kitchen, and then let's see the BQ. Okay, this is not the BQ. The BQ is at the other side. You can see there's a tap here, and see how spacious it is. It's not those tiny ones we'll show you. No, this one is different, and even to this angle, very spacious. Now we have CCTV cameras, 2 at the back of the house and 2 in front of the house. That's a total of 4 CCTV cameras. And then over here is where we have the BQ. The BQ is locked, unfortunately, but definitely when you come for inspection, we're going to open it up for you to see. Now, one thing also that you're definitely guaranteed of in this house is good ventilation. This house will be well ventilated because the buildings are not very close to each other. Yeah, so there's enough space, good ventilation and lighting. Now, here's a better view of the garage size. Remember, I said 3 to 4 cars can fit into each unit. Here's a better view of it. So this is another way you can access the house, either through this one here, the garage, or the back of the house like I showed you earlier. So firstly, we would be seeing the guest toilet. this is the guest toilet, and this is the size of the guest toilet. You can see it is spacious. You can see it is spacious. One of the things you'll notice in this house is that the space management is really efficient. Like the developer was quite generous with space, like I said earlier. And also, this is the ante room. You see the size of it. This is the ante room. Now, before we proceed further into the video, I would like to notify you that um the furnitures you're seeing in this house, they are not coming with the property. So what I'm saying in essence is that if you buy this property, you're not going to be getting these furnitures that you're seeing here. So here's a better view of the ante room. I'm doing all of this so that you see the size. This video might be long, but I would advise that you watch it to the end, especially if this looks like something that interests you. So watch it to the end, because I'm taking my time to show you every part of it, so that irrespective of the distance, you get to see this property that I'm showing you in its complete form. All right, so let's go into the living area. So from this angle, here's what the living area looks like. I'll be showing you the size from different angles. So here's the size of it from this angle. Remember, I said that it's not coming with the furniture. So if you buy the house, it's not coming with all these furnitures you are seeing. So this is the size of it from this angle right here. All right, so let's also see it from this angle. Let's also see the size of it from this angle of the house. You can see there's a dining right here. This is where you can have your dining area, and this is the size of the house from this angle. You can see this house is very neat, very neat. The structure is really solid, and this is a well built house. You can literally tell. All right, so this right here leads you to the kitchen and also to the guest room. So let's see the kitchen first. Okay, so this right here is the kitchen, and this is the full size of the kitchen. This is the full size of it. Now it will be coming just with a microwave oven and the gas burner. This is designated for a refrigerator, and we have quite a number of cabinetries here for storage. And then the kitchen also has a pantry as well, so you have absolutely no issue with storage. You'll also be getting the heat extractor as well when you buy. So those are the amenities that will be coming along with the kitchen, and a better view at the size of it. And then this right here is the pantry for storage, and you can see it is spacious. So like I said, you have absolutely no issue with storage in this kitchen. All right, so let's see the guest room next. Let's see the guest room. And then this is the full size of the guest room from this angle right here. Let's turn on the lights. Okay, so this is the full size of it from this angle. Now, for those who do not know where Harris Drive is, Harris Drive is just beside VGC. I know VGC is a major landmark. So if you're coming from the Lekki Phase 1 axis, um, after Chevron, let's start with Chevron, because Chevron is also a very popular landmark. So after Chevron, you get to Orchid. After Orchid, Chevron is where you have the second toll gate. So after Chevron, you get to Orchid. After Orchid is Ikota. After Ikota, you get to see VGC. So Harris Drive is just beside VGC. It means that you will not get to Ajah, you will not get to Abraham and Shangotedo. So for people who don't want to get to those axes, I mean Shangotedo, Ajah, Abraham, if you don't want to get to those axes, this is definitely a good place to settle in. And you can see the neighborhood is very habitable here, and this estate is very serene. I mean, when you come for inspection, you get to understand what I am saying. All right, so we're going to the first floor. I like the fact that the staircase is wide enough so people can walk side by side beside each other at the same time, and you can tell that they use quality tiles for this house. You can see it is really solid. Okay, this is where we have the lounge on the first floor, and this is the view from here. So let's also see it from this angle. This will give us a better view at the size. See how spacious this family lounge is. Like this house, when it comes to space, I give it a 10 over 10. They really did well with it. This is not those really small houses where you have to manage. If you're so big on space, you should be calling me as soon as you're done watching this video. So many people have been asking me for a house that is really spacious. They have a large family. I have found just the perfect one for you. Now this is the laundry room. This is where you get to iron, you see, also spacious enough. And then right here is where we have room number two. We've seen one room downstairs. This is room number two, and this is the master's bedroom. This is the size of it. This is the size of it. You see, you still have enough space to move around even with the size of this bed here. And this is the view from this angle. 550 million naira. The price is slightly negotiable. And see, there's a balcony right here to give you view of the neighborhood and also for ventilation. And at this angle is where we have the wardrobe area right here, and the wardrobe area leads us to the toilet and bath for the master's bedroom. And this is what it looks like. The other rooms are also spacious, almost as spacious as this master's bedroom. You get to see it by the time we go. Now, like I said, if this is either above your budget or below your budget, as I said earlier, we also have other properties that we can recommend to you. Just contact us, tell us your budget. Even if you want a land, you want commercial properties. Some of our properties have up to 1 year payment plan. Some of them even have more than 1 year payment plan. So just tell us what you want. We even have properties outside Lagos. Yes, reach out to us, tell us what you want. Now this is the box room. You can have your inverter here or whatever you deem fit. Now if you watch this video to this point and you haven't subscribed, you're not doing it right, you know. So please hit the subscribe button. I don't just want you to watch this video and leave. No, I want to have you as part of the beautiful family that I have here on YouTube. So please, as you're watching now, just tap that subscribe button. Tap it right now. Turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on our updates. Now this is room number 3, and this is the toilet and bath for this room. 5 bedroom, fully detached duplex with a big queue in Harris Drive, selling for 550 million naira with a title of C of O. All right. So this is room number 4 right here. So we have one more room to go. If you watch this video till this point, trust me, I am literally smiling right now. Thank you for sticking around till this point. I hope you're loving what you're seeing, and thank you for touring this massive property with me. All right, this is room number 4. Let's see the size of it. You see the rooms are all spacious, all spacious. Okay, so we're done on this floor. So on the second floor we have 3 rooms here, and also the family lounge. Sorry, on the first floor, yes, the first floor, the family lounge, 3 rooms, the laundry room and the box room. That's what we have on the first floor. So we're heading to the second floor right now, where we have the last room, and then we'll end this video. So let's keep going. We're almost done, don't worry. We're almost done. Okay, so this is the lounge for the um second floor. This is the lounge for it. Now you can see that we have a kitchenette at this angle. You can see. Okay, and then over here is where we have the rooftop. Now this rooftop I'm about to show you is really massive. I mean, there's a lot you can do here. Before I show you the rooftop, let's see the toilets for this rooftop. So we have a toilet right here, and then let's see the rooftop. It is really massive. This is not even all of it. So when you buy this house, you can literally have a lounge upstairs here. At this rooftop, you can put up a lounge here, have your, thank God it's Fridays, have your mini parties here, just chill out with your guys here. It's really going to be beautiful by the time you decorate it and make it look all beautiful. Just picture yourself in this house. I mean, this is really a good buy. All right, so we're done with this. So let's see the last room. Let's see the last room. Okay, now we have this lounge here, sort of, that leads us to the last room. So this is the size of it. So more like we have more than one lounge in this house. Remember, we saw one on the first floor. This is another one on the second floor, and there's one just by the kitchenette I showed you, and then this is another part of a rooftop. So we have one part of the rooftop just by the kitchenette, and then there's this other one right here. Oh, this is more like a balcony, sort of. Whichever one you can make it your rooftop, your balcony, whatever you deem fit. Okay, so this is the last room, and then you see it is also super spacious, almost like the size of that master's bedroom. It's just that the wardrobe area for the master's bedroom is bigger than this, but you see it's almost like the size of it. See? So beautiful people, this is what we have here. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Kindly contact us to schedule an inspection. I will be so glad to bring you here. If you're not in Lagos or you're in diaspora, you can always send a trusted representative and I'll bring the person here right away. My name is Victoria Chizoba Duraku, and it has been such a pleasure touring this property with you. I hope you love what you see, and I'll be really looking forward to hearing from you. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel as well. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Till I come your way next time, have a great day. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay amazing, and I'll see you in my next video. God bless you. Bye.